Getting the girls all warmed up. Come in, I get them warmed up. I do inspections on everything, check saws, grease what needs to be greased, and then we have a meeting, then we head off. That's what we're doing here today. Chips America. All right, we're gonna get the Spyder going. Good morning, by the way. We're gonna take out these two, the little one. I'll zoom in. I'm gonna Spyder these, that one. Then we're gonna go up and we're gonna clean some of these lowers on these two walnuts. All right, let's get at her. Break time. These box elders, man, they're brutal. Playing the board game. Neighbor over here let us use the lawn, so we're just trying to protect his lawn, run these mats. Property line's right there, so that was really nice of them. All right, we almost got her down, trim that, and we're out of here. All right, let's get to it. They went to go dump, probably get lunch too, but they like to eat like crap. I like to eat healthy, my fruits, my protein, so probably won't be eating what they're bringing back. But we're on last tree. Let me zoom out. I gotta get myself a better camera. All the junk trees, I call them, box elders, they're gone. Customers leaving the stump, and then we are on the second behind this walnut, trimming it, and then we'll rake and clean up. Keep you guys posted. Love working on hills. If you don't got a Spyder, get one at your local Walmart on sale. Just gonna have to piece it. We're gonna have to wait till he moves this out, and then we'll come and grab it. Get in there. She may want the rest of these gone, and honestly, if that's the case, Black Beauty's gonna come up here and finish it, and I'll put her here and we'll just grapple everything. All right, I gotta get back to work. Everybody's yelling at me. It's honestly the most peaceful thing when I'm up there. But today, Squirrel Man is up there. Spyder Man is not here today. Job well done. All the mats were good on the neighbor's property, so that way it looks like we weren't here. All the trees are out. I think we had 4. And then we trimmed both of these walnuts. Basically, just kind of got as much as we could without taking too much of the canopy out. I always try to tell customers to leave a little bit of the canopy. We don't want to look like National Grid over here.
but everything came out well. We'll probably be back here with Black Beauty taking the rest of them down. Customers wanted to leave the stumps. Looks good. All right, we're out of here.